baru penipuan melalui telefon dengan menawarkan diskaun pakej pembayaran bil tenaga nasional berhad TNB yang tidak wujud sejak Julai lalu sehingga menyebabkan seorang akaunten kerugian RM164,900.
Hampir 2 bilion panggilan dan 581 juta perkhidmatan pesanan ringkas SMS mencurigakan disekat daripada sampai kepada pengguna Malaysia.
Introduction to the selected issue. TikTok and Instagram have become important social media platforms for communication, marketing, and information sharing. Many organizations use these platforms to interact with the public and promote their services. As social media continues to grow, the content shared on these platforms has become part of digital records that need to be managed properly. However, one major content management issue is the spread of misinformation and fake information. In Malaysia, scams promoted through TikTok and Instagram have become increasingly common, raising concern about the accuracy and reliability of information shared online. Explanation of the issue. Misinformation occurs when false or misleading content is shared and circulated on social media platforms. On TikTok and Instagram, scammers often use attractive videos, edited images, and fake testimonials to promote investment scams, online shopping scams, and fraudulent job offers. This issue is closely related to records management because social media content can become organizational records. When misleading content is created, shared or stored without proper verification, it can affect the authenticity, reliability, and trustworthiness of records. As a result, organizations may face difficulties in maintaining accurate information and protecting public trust.
Next, the issue of scam promotions on TikTok and Instagram has a significant impact on records management. Firstly, it creates difficulty in verifying the authenticity of records. Scammers often use fake accounts, edited videos, and misleading testimonials that appear genuine. As a result, organizations may find it difficult to determine whether the information is authentic or fraudulent. Secondly, there is risk of misleading information. False advertisement and scam promotion can be shared widely and may be stored as records. If organizations rely on inaccurate information, it can lead to poor decision-making and misinformation. Thirdly, scam content can cause a loss of trust in digital records. When users frequently encounter scams on social media, they may begin to question the reliability of information found on this platform. This reduces confidence in digital records as source of evidence and information. Lastly, scam-related content increases compliance and governance risks. Organizations are required to manage records properly and comply with legal and regulatory requirements. Failure to identify and manage fraudulent content may result in legal issues, regulatory penalties, and reputational damage. In conclusion, scam promotions on TikTok and Instagram not only affect users financially, but also create major challenge for records management by threatening the authenticity, reliability, and trustworthiness of digital records.
Next, the role of social media and emerging technology. First, TikTok and Instagram generate a large amount of digital content every day. This includes videos, comments, direct messages, and advertisement. In cases involving scam and misinformation, this content become important digital records that can be used as evidence for investigation and future reference. Second, organizations can use automated archiving tools to capture and store social media content automatically. This is important because scam-related posts can be edited or deleted at any time. By preserving this record, organization can ensure that important information is not lost. Instead, artificial intelligence or AI helps organizations detect fake content and suspicious accounts more efficiently. AI can analyze large amounts of social media data and identify misinformation faster than manual monitoring. This helps organizations manage social media records more efficiently while ensuring that information is accurate and trustworthy. Lastly, real-time monitoring tools allow organizations to track viral content, public reaction, and scam activities as they happen. This enables organizations to respond quickly to misinformation while maintaining accurate and reliable records. Overall, social media platforms and emerging technology play an important role in record management. They help organizations capture, preserve, and verify digital records while responding more effectively to misinformation and online scams.
So now we move to the challenges faced by organization. One of the main challenges is identifying fake content on TikTok and Instagram. Scammers often create fake accounts and publish misleading information that appears to come from legitimate organization. Another challenge is protecting organizational reputation. In Malaysia, many scams promote through TikTok and Instagram content. When users become victim of this scam, they may lose trust in the organization whose name or image was misused. Organizations also face difficulties managing large volume of social media content. Every day, thousands of posts, comments, and video are uploaded, making it challenging to monitor and remove misleading information quickly. Finally, organization must ensure record authenticity. Fake screenshot, edited videos, and manipulated content can make it difficult to determine whether the information is genuine and reliable. That's all for me.
Moving on to the solutions. How do we solve this scam issue using records management technology? We came up with 4 practical steps. First, digital ad verification. From a record management perspective, platform must ensure every commercial record they host is authentic. Before anyone can publish a paid investment ad, they must upload an official license from Bank Negara or the Securities Commission. No verified compliance record, no ad approval. Second, an MCMC kill switch. For rapid records retention and access control, once a scam is flagged by the NSRC 997, MCMC must force platform to execute a kill switch, purging public access to that fraudulent file within 1 hour. Third, crowdsource fact-checking notes. We can improve a file integrity by enriching its metadata. Trusted users and sebenarnya.my can attach context text directly under suspicious videos, giving the public the right data to judge if a record is trustworthy. Lastly, algorithmic penalty. This acts as an automated content disposition tool. If a digital asset contains triggered phrases like easy money or fast return, the algorithm instantly flags it and restricts its accessibility instead of making it viral. Now, how do we make this solution work in the long run? Here are the 3 recommendations. First, stricter MCMC law. Under the Online Safety Act, the government must find platforms that fail to manage scams. We must treat this app as massive digital record repositories that are legally accountable for public safety. Second, compliance by design. Instead of waiting for reports, TikTok and Meta must build security directly into their system to automatically audit the authenticity of financial ads before they hit user feeds. And lastly, public digital records literacy. We must launch awareness campaigns, starting right here in UiTM. We need to teach everyday Malaysians how to check background info, look at the metadata, and verify sources before trusting any online scheme. By tightening our record controls, we can definitely build a safer online environment in Malaysia.
In conclusion, misinformation and fake information on TikTok and Instagram have become significant content management issues, especially with the increasing number of scams promoted through social media in Malaysia. This issue affects records management because social media content can become digital records that must be accurate, reliable, and trustworthy. The spread of misleading content creates challenges in verifying information, maintaining record authenticity, and protecting public trust. However, emerging technologies such as AI, automated archiving system, and real-time monitoring tools can help organizations detect, preserve, and manage digital records more effectively. At the same time, stronger regulation, platform accountability, and public awareness are essential in reducing the spread of misinformation. Therefore, effective records management is not only about preserving information, but also ensuring that digital records remain authentic, reliable, and secure in today's rapidly evolving digital environment.